Welcome back. Now, we have been telling you about the Shiv Sena MP against whom an FIR has been registered. In an exclusive conversation with India Today, the Shiv Sena MP Ravindra Gaikwad has confirmed that he will not be meeting the party chief Uddhav Thackeray today and that he is now headed to his village in Osmanabad. In fact, here is India Today's Mayuresh speaking to the Shiv Sena MP. Let's listen in.
सर आप मुंबई पहुंचे हैं क्या सर?
नहीं, गाँव जा रहा हूँ।
अच्छा सर, उद्धव ठाकरे से आज नहीं मिल रहे आप? अच्छा, लेकिन सर वो बात ऐसी चल रही थी कि कुछ पार्टी ने क्लैरिफिकेशन आपसे मांगा है, तो ये क्या है, सच है?
क्या
पार्टी ने आपसे कुछ क्लैरिफिकेशन मांगा है?
तो मुझे बुलाएंगे नोटिस मिलेगा तो देगा नहीं।
ओ ठीक है सर। हाँ
मंजूर।
हाँ, क्योंकि खबरें ऐसी चल रही थी कि 3 सदस्यीय कमेटी बिठाई जाएगी जिसके सामने आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन करने का एक मौका दिया जाएगा।
कौन बिठाएगा?
हाँ,
कौन?
पार्टी आपकी पार्टी की तरफ से।
पार्टी ओनली वन मैन शो, अजय सिंह के शो मुझे मंजूर है ना।
तो लेकिन उद्धव जी से कुछ बात हुई थी आपकी सब?
तो पहले हुई थी, अभी मीडिया के सामने मत आओ, नहीं आया।
अच्छा, तो मतलब आज आप नहीं आ रहे हैं मुंबई? ठीक है साहब, ठीक।
Let's go straight across to Mayuresh for more on this. Mayuresh, I was just listening to that conversation that you were having with the Shiv Sena MP. Now, he was only confirming that he's not going to be meeting Uddhav Thackeray, but he still sounds unrepentant about the incident.
Certainly, Vandika, even we saw that how he behaved with the media in train also.
Yes.
Since yesterday evening, the whole media crew, even our channel is following him, and the way he behaved with media is certainly not acceptable. But one thing he made it clear that when I asked him that the 3 people committee will be formed, that's what we have been given to understand. So he said no, who will be forming that committee? Uddhav Thackeray is the one-man show, and he has asked me clearly not to come in front of media. That's why I'm going back. So certainly he has got a clear message from Matoshri not to come in front of media, not to appear in front of media. Just go away from here. So that's the message he has got, and that's why Mr. Gaikwad has already left for his village Osmanabad. It is somewhere around 8 hours he will take to reach at his place.
All right, Mayuresh, thanks so much for speaking to us and getting us all the updates. So one thing has been confirmed is that meeting is not taking place today. Shiv Sena waiting for matters to cool down before they hear the version of their legislator.